Let's talk about junior developer roles in 2025. So you've learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, maybe a bit of React. You've made a portfolio, built a few projects, and you're excited. You're ready to apply for your first job. Then boom, you open the job description and it says, we're looking for a junior developer with 3 to 5 years of experience. Wait, what? How is that junior? You want me to be entry level and also a time traveler? Then comes the tech stack. You need to know React, Vue, Angular, Node, Python, Django, TypeScript, MongoDB, AWS, Docker, maybe some machine learning on the side. Bro, I'm just trying to figure out why my button won't center. And the best part, the salary, or worse, it's unpaid. But they say you'll get great exposure. Exposure to what? A burnout? And let's not forget the interview process. You apply for a junior role and they hit you with first round HR, second round online test, third technical interview, fourth system design, fifth build a mini version of Airbnb in 48 hours, final round rejection, with an email that says, we loved your profile but went with someone more experienced. Of course you did. That's the only person you were ever looking for. Oh, and those job posts that say, must hit the ground running. Buddy, I haven't even put my shoes on. The industry expects juniors to have senior level experience to write clean code, design scalable systems, fix legacy code, know 15 frameworks, and somehow still be available for stand-ups, support tickets, and coffee runs. And don't even get me started on companies that post jobs just to boost their LinkedIn presence. You know the ones. They've been hiring for the same role for 8 months, but nobody's ever gotten a call back. It's rough out here, and if you're feeling frustrated, tired, rejected, you're not alone. There's an entire generation stuck between finishing tutorials and trying to get that first real job. Everyone wants experience, but nobody wants to give it. So if you're a junior dev right now, just know this. You are not the problem. This system is broken, but you are learning, you are improving, and you are not invisible. Keep building, keep applying, keep showing up. And one day someone will see your potential, not just your stack, not just your GitHub, but your grit. And to the companies demanding 5 years of experience for an entry-level job, be serious, hire juniors, train them, let people grow. Thanks for watching. If you've been through this nonsense too, drop a comment and share your experience.